Hey there, it's Matt from Onshape, and today I'm going to answer the question, how do I use Onshape's Intro to CAD curriculum? If you haven't seen it yet, the Intro to CAD curriculum in the Onshape Learning Center is a remarkably comprehensive and user-friendly curriculum package designed by educators for educators aiming to get their students up to speed with modern CAD. And like most of the content in the Learning Center, it's free to use. To start, simply go to the Onshape Learning Center, learn.onshape.com, and select Curriculum under the Educator Resources tab. Next, select Intro to CAD, and if you're logged in, you'll see the curriculum outline with a short description for each of the curriculum's 5 units, including a summary of concepts and skills and an estimate of instructional hours. It is recommended that you go through the units sequentially. Each unit contains a complete set of resources, making it easy for even a novice teacher to use the curriculum in their classroom. The bulk of the instructional content for each unit is contained in Onshape documents, but before we look at an example, let's take a look at the other resources included with each unit. For starters, each unit contains a detailed summary and pacing guide. Educators will find this invaluable for making sure the curriculum fits smoothly into their plans. Units are divided into lessons, each complete with a teacher guide, a student guide, and a slide deck to facilitate teaching the lesson in your classroom. Use these resources as they are, or feel free to make copies to edit before sharing them with your students. Each lesson ends with a brief formative assessment or exit ticket to check for student understanding. And each unit culminates with an end-of-unit summative assessment. Depending on how much time you have, you might also want to take advantage of the lecture slide deck in each unit, which contains a deeper look into some of the concepts embedded with each unit. As you can see, these units are full-featured, and we haven't even looked at the Onshape documents yet. Let's do that now. As an example, let's open the Unit 2 Onshape document. The first tab of the unit is called Unit 2 and contains thorough instructions for students to follow at their own pace. The lessons could not be easier to follow, complete with interactive elements, helpful sidebars, animations, and step-by-step instructions. Quick tech tip. Onshape allows you to open the same document in 2 or more browser tabs. This is really helpful for following the instructions in one tab while modeling in another. If you don't have dual monitors, you can model on your computer and read the instructions on another device like a phone or tablet. The easiest way to distribute the curriculum to your students and to collect student work is using classes and assignments, a feature included with the Onshape Educator Plan. Let's take a look at how this might work. Say I want to assign Unit 2 to my students. First, I'm going to create a copy of the curriculum document from the Learning Center. I'll call it Intro to CAD Unit 2 and place it in my Starter Docs folder. If I haven't already made a class for this semester, I'll create one now, and then I'll create an assignment called Intro to CAD Lesson 2.1. I'll select Submission Option Number 2, Students Begin with a Copy of Selected Document, and I'll select the curriculum document I just copied. When students begin the assignment, a copy of this document will be made for them, including all of the instructions. They simply need to follow the instructions and click Submit when they are done. Let's create the next assignment called Intro to CAD Lesson 2.2. For this assignment, I'll select Submission Option Number 3. Students can choose what to submit. Using this process, students can submit their documents when they are done with Lesson 2.1 and then continue working on the same document for Lesson 2.2. When I grade Lesson 2.1, I will see the version created when they submitted the assignment. When they submit Lesson 2.2, another version will be created for me to grade. This is a great way for me to check student progress as they work on the skateboard unit without me having to wait until they are done with the whole unit. I will use this process for the other units in the Intro to CAD curriculum, creating copies of the Learning Center documents and attaching them to the first lesson of each unit. Before I know it, all of my students will be Onshape pros. If you have any questions or there are other topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks, and see you next time.